The Optimate 3 has 6 indicators. Lamp 1 lights when Optimate 3 is connected to AC power. Lamp 2 lights if you connected the battery incorrectly. Optimate 3 will start charging if the battery's voltage is at least 2 volts. If lamp 3 lights, your battery's charge level is below the minimum charge required to successfully start the vehicle. For motorcycle batteries, that is about 12.4 volts. A low battery that might turn on the ignition but struggle to turn the engine over will receive a pulsed reconditioning charge. A dead flat battery unable to turn on the ignition will need waking up as it may be sulfated. It is best to remove, inspect, and if not damaged, then charge. The desulfation mode wakes up the neglected battery, followed by a reconditioning charge. Lamp 4 lights if the battery's resting voltage measures higher than 12.4 volts. A constant current bulk charge is delivered, followed by pulsed absorption that equalizes the 6 cells within the battery. Lamp 5 lights when the battery has reached full charge. A test is performed. The rest voltage is monitored. This may take from 30 minutes to 12 hours. LED 5 continues to indicate if the battery is healthy. Optimate's 24/7 interactive maintenance program now monitors charge level hourly and delivers charge when needed. If lamp 6 turns on and blinks, the battery was unable to hold more than 50% charge. Optimate 3 will recharge the battery and repeat the test. This safe interactive maintenance program will keep your battery fully charged without ever overcharging. Connect and forget. No more battery problems.